This is the NOEVSBIG solder fume extractor. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual. Here is the unit itself. 3 additional filters. There is one already installed right over here. Let me tell you a little bit about it before we get started, and then of course we'll test it out. The unit measures 6.7 by 6.1 by 2.7. The fan in it spins at 33 RPM, and it has a copper motor. This motor is 120 volts, has a standard US grounded plug on it, convenient switch right on the cord. There are rubber feet on it, as you see there, 4 of them, of course. And with that, let's go ahead, plug it in, turn it on just so you can hear it. I'll show you the back of it as well, and then we'll actually put it to use. Nice big fan, finger guard on the back, the 4 feet on it, like I said. Nice and sturdy, all metal construction, all around very, very well made. Let's go ahead and just turn it on just so you can hear it here. We'll plug this in and turn it on. You can see the wind gets whipping. It definitely blows out from there. So that's all nice. And if you want to change the filter, you see this, it's like rounded at the corners. You just kind of get in here and grab it. I'm not going to pull it out because it's already in there, but you just kind of mush it out of there and stick the other one with the corners in, you know, and just get it all tucked in. Pretty easy to do. Let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, I have a piece of wire we're just going to solder together, some soldering iron. Let's go ahead and turn on the fume extractor. There we go right there. And we'll go ahead and solder this together. This iron is pretty low power, but you should be able to see the smoke coming off of this that's going in. Let me see if I give you a better shot. I'll try to do it this way, sort of out of the line of sight. You should see all that smoke going right into the fume extractor. And that's fine right there, just for a demonstration. This is not really the best solder, but it certainly drove the point home of how it sucks the fumes in. And we'll expel them out the back, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. So once again, this was the NOEVSBIG solder fume extractor. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.